Hey guys, welcome back to another e-waste repair. Today we got a lamp. It's massive. So it's plugged in at the moment and the switch is up here, and when you turn it on, nothing happens. There's no light. So let's see if I can get it working again. First, let's see what we can do here. This is coming off. So there's the two pads right there. If you can see, there's one at the bottom there and one in the middle. So I'm just gonna get my multimeter, put the two probes on them and see if we're getting the voltage through. I'm gonna plug it in. Turn it on. I'm gonna set this to AC voltage. We have 125. I'm guessing that's correct because we have a American plug over here, so there must be something stepping down the voltage in here. 110, 120 is probably correct. Let's check the bulb now. Look at that. So many LEDs. Okay, I'm gonna take these 3 screws off. So from the looks of it, it doesn't seem like any of the LEDs are burnt out. Usually when LEDs burn, there's like a black spot in the middle, but I can't see any black spot right now. So since I can't see anything burnt out here, what I'm going to do is desolder these wires so I can take this out and get to the circuit board over here covered in tape. Okay, so I made a mistake. I should have checked if there's any voltage coming out from here before I open this up. So I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna switch this to DC volts. So the red one is plus and the black and the white are minus. So first I'm gonna check what the voltage is here. So we got 198 volts. And over here, same thing. So the circuit board seems to be okay. Now I'm gonna check if the LEDs are okay. So I'm gonna use diode mode to check if these are okay. So I cannot test it with the multimeter because diode mode doesn't work with this. So what I'm gonna do is test it with the power supply. Usually LEDs run between 1.8 volts to 3.3. So I'm gonna start off with 1.8 volts from the power supply and then gradually increase if that's not enough. See, I'm at 1.8 volts. No, that's not enough. 2 volts. I already checked and this side is ground, so black probe is on the ground and red on this. 2.2. No, 2.5. There we go. I'm gonna go around and see if there's anything that doesn't turn on. Everything seems to be okay. Okay, since that's all good, I'm gonna put it back together because everything seems to be working. Let's give it a good clean. So that's it, guys. How cool is this lamp? I know I didn't fix anything and I probably should have checked if it was fitting in properly, but I assumed it wasn't working because someone threw it in the e-waste and maybe they thought it wasn't working as well. I still hope you guys learned something from it, and if you did, please put a like on my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.